Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today I will take you to make passion fruit smoothie. สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้โบจะพาไปทำสมูทตี้น้ำเสาวรสนะคะ The passion fruit is native from Brazil and north of Argentina, and they have two kinds of passion fruit. They will have one is a skin is a green, and the second one is purple color. And the passion fruit is one thing that I like. They have very beautiful flower. The flower will white color, and when you grow you have to make a tree for them because they are the kind wild tree. They will climb up all over. I did not make a proper perfect for them to climb up, so they climb up all over another tree, so sometimes I have to trim them down. And this year they produce many fruit, so I will pick them and make a smoothie today. The passion fruit, the taste is a little bit sour and they have a lot of juice in there. That's why people like to make passion fruit drinking. And one thing that's very important, they have rich nutrients. They have high vitamin C, vitamin 2, 3, 6, 9. They have beta carotene and calcium, iron, and they very less calorie. So it's a very good choice for who like to drink something or eat something very healthy fruit. The passion fruit is a good choice for you. So don't waste your time. Let's go to make passion fruit smoothie today. ไปทำน้ำเสาวรสสมูทตี้สุขภาพกันเถอะค่ะ Time to make smoothie passion fruit ถึงเวลามาทำสมูทตี้น้ำเสาวรสแล้วนะคะ You should have 3 passion fruit and I use the Nature Can syrup for 60 milliliters and I use a little bit salt ที่จะใช้ก็จะมีน้ำมีผลเสาวรส3 ลูกนะคะแล้วก็น้ำตาลเชื่อม60 ml แล้วก็เกลือเล็กน้อย and you have to have ice. Take the meat out from the fruit เอาเนื้อของเสาวรสแกะออกมานะคะ We will use the ripe passion fruit เราจะใช้เสาวรสที่สุกนะคะ This one I just pick this morning ลูกเนี้ยเพิ่งเก็บเมื่อเช้านะคะก็เลยยังจะดูไม่ค่อยสุกมาก Dump passion fruit in the blender. Syrup. A little bit salt. One cup of ice. Then work your blender. into the grass. Oh, this looks good. Oh, it's perfect for two small grass. You can do it if Bo can do it. Passion fruit smoothie. Have passion fruit in your home, you can do smoothie passion fruit. This drinking, I recommend you to do it if you can find this one in your area. And feel free to leave comment below. And if you are new here to watch this video, please help my YouTube channel by subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss the new video is coming up. And stay safe and be healthy. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye สวัสดีค่ะ
สว่าง 28 พฤศจิกายนนี้ เข้าคูหาเบอร์ 2 นายชัย